Hi guys, I'm here on the strip and I'm about to check into MGM Grand. Yeah, let's do it. I've been charged $300 just the deposit. And I'm trying to find anything in the room that could possibly justify this. I mean, what's so expensive here that I can possibly take here? A pillow? Because I'm really not sure. But yeah, so I'm paying $300 for my stay plus $300 deposit. That's $600, you know, and I'm really worried that they're gonna take some of the $300 deposit. I'm just gonna see that they don't take it. I don't know. I'm here to you know, film some vlogs, go see the desert and photograph it and the nature, because Nevada has amazing nature. Yeah, I'm very excited about that because I'm not really big on people, and I love, you know, actually the isolation area, because the things I like to do the most do not involve people and close proximity to people, because so I'm just gonna go to the desert. I'm gonna relax here a little bit and go to sleep, and tomorrow morning just woke up. I'm gonna make some breakfast. I really love this. Oh yes, so delicious and sweet. Getting my coffee made right here. It's really awesome coffee. Good morning. Coffee first. We need that in the morning, otherwise we can't get anything done. Here is safe, and it's just not working. Can't open it. So I left this note here because they do not always, you know, observe the rule. So when somebody comes in, they're gonna see this note and they know that they cannot clean my room because I don't want my things touched. Gonna put on the mask. Elevator. Here's the elevator. Here's the elevator. Yeah. Elevator. Yeah. Whew. Press. Yeah. Woo. Press. I am so excited to be going to the desert. Yes. Good times. Woo. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. I want to go to the desert. Open up. And here I am in the middle of the desert. Yes. Look at this beautiful pink. Wow. No, I'm kidding. I'm actually in Chocolate Factory right here. I'm gonna look at chocolates later, and right now I'm looking at this amazing nature. Chocolates place, yes, dear, like all this awesome chocolates. And yeah, I'm on a diet. So for me, it's just the nature, but I thought I would film it. Yes, it's heaven. Woo! yeah, we are living in a different era, but the nature is still here.